You think you're fucking cool, don't you?
I am. Thank you. I appreciate you reaffirming that.
God, I hate you fuckers.
Yeah, I get it. Hate's a strong word. Dislike's better.
What you fucking say?
On May 23, 2026, an Illinois encounter turned on a line most people misplace, where protected speech ends and a chargeable crime begins. That line, not the Fourth Amendment, is the whole case, and it decides what an officer may lawfully do when a citizen becomes abusive.
John! You're banned from here. You know this.
I can sit outside.
That's all right. We also can't have you drinking in public, okay? All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write you a cite and release, okay? And then you'll be free to go. I think some nice patrons ordered some food for you, so you can hang out for a minute while I do the paperwork. And then after that, you gotta go, okay? So I'm gonna get your paperwork. I'll be right back with you. You're under arrest, just so you know. But it's an Illinois arrest, so I'm just gonna give you a citation. If you keep doing the thing, then we'll take you over to the station for a little while, okay? So wait there, I'm gonna get you your paperwork, John. I'm just gonna do a cite and release if you wanna watch it for a second. Hi, John.
Get away from me.
I just gotta keep an eye on you.
I take it, whatever.
That's what we're doing.
I'm not talking to you.
So you don't have to talk.
Get the fuck away from
Well, that's not gonna happen.
me. Fucking dump my fucking shit out, you know what? Get your fucking stinking ass away from me.
A what?
With your badass tattoos, you know what?
I know they are badass, aren't they?
You think you're fucking cool, don't you?
I am. Thank you. I appreciate you reaffirming that.
You're a fucking nigger. A fucking pecker, as we call it in Kansas. A peckerwood. White boy that wants to be a nigger. Hey, you know what? That's a good thing. You're gonna take my shit and fucking dump it out? I know. Yeah. You dump my fucking shit out. Eat that before you go in. No, don't worry. Thank you, officer.
Have a good day. Thank you, sir. It astounds.
We're not allowed to be niggers around.
It astounds me. It astounds me that how people are nice to you and how rude you are.
Go fuck yourself.
Yeah.
You're a fucking nigger, don't you?
Cool.
I'll tell you what.
Don't quit your day job, John.
What? What'd you fucking say?
I said, don't quit your day job. Those are two contradicting sayings there, John.
You know what? Go fuck yourself. Not gonna be what I mean. You know what? I'm gonna tell you what. Whenever you think you're tough enough, you fucking step out.
Okay, John.
Hey, man, John.
All right. Okay, John. Okay. Okay.
Oh, have a good day. Thank you.
Hey, you know what? He ain't worth the fuck anyway.
John, you missed.
Now leaving in a
On the ground, you missed.
Right on the family, so.
You know what? Get your fucking stinking ass away from me.
I think you're just smelling yourself, John.
I'm getting up on that.
All right, John, I know you don't want to sign this, so I'm going to just put refused on here, okay?
That's fine. You don't have to. Just put refused on it.
It's all good, buddy.
Fucking piece of this shit, fucking hecker with niggers.
All right, John, you keep that up. We're going to take this into a hate crime. That's for you. You are... Whoa. You're going to get yourself locked up for battery,
I
John.
don't give a fuck.
That's okay. So here you go. Here's what you can do. You can go to court on July 9th, all right, at 10:30 at the Bridgeview Courthouse because you're banned from here. You can't be here, okay? If you don't go, they'll issue a warrant. And if you want to spend your summer in jail and your winter's free, that's up to you, buddy. So make sure you show up for court, all right? You got to pick up your stuff and you got to go. I'm going to put this away, and if you're not gone, maybe we'll just take you into custody.
Hateful, profane, racist speech directed at police is protected. Cohen versus California shields offensive expression, and City of Houston versus Hill holds that the freedom to insult and challenge officers marks a free society, demanding more restraint from police than from an ordinary citizen. No arrest may rest on words alone. The exception is smaller than assumed. Chaplinsky versus New Hampshire leaves fighting words unprotected, but the category has shrunk to almost nothing, and slurs aimed at a trained officer expected to absorb them rarely qualify. Conduct is different. A spit, a thrown object, a shove, or resistance is behavior, not expression, and may be charged with no First Amendment obstacle. The instant conduct appears, the analysis leaves the speech clauses and returns to ordinary criminal law. Then the slurs re-enter, not as the offense but as its motive. Wisconsin versus Mitchell unanimously upholds bias-motivated enhancement, holding that bigoted words may prove why a crime was committed, because the statute punishes conduct, not belief. Under Illinois law, the predicate offense must be committed by reason of race. Grading the predicate demands precision. Battery requires bodily harm or actual insulting contact. If a spit or object misses, there is no completed battery and none against a peace officer. The correct charge becomes assault or attempt, each a lower grade than the officer's own word implied.
All right, John, time to go or you got to go to jail. I'm going to charge you with battery, too, if you don't leave.
Take me in there.
Okay, stand up. Put your hands behind your back.
Where was the money?
I'm gonna pull my car around. Alright, I can talk about it. I'm sure he doesn't mind the steps.
Yeah. All right, John. Right this way.
There you go. I want my fucking money.
Well, I can only do one thing at a time, so we'll grab your stuff in a minute.
God, you better be fucking.
What's that? Whatever. I can pull back. All right, you want to wait right here? I'll pull back to you.
Oh, I love you.
Hold on, I'm going nowhere.
Fuck you.
Stop moving, John. Nice.
Look, you know what? Don't even fucking say a fucking thing. You're a fucking.
Very proper. This program roll, there's another roll.
I'm going to the wall.
No, you're not. You're staying right where you're at.
You know what? You're not holding me up. You're not holding me up. God, you're a fucking. Hey, let's go over that nigger though.
Alright, go to your right.
What?
Go to your right. We're going to the squad car.
Simple.
Come on.
Fucking nigger.
Come on. Watch your step.
All right, John. Right in here.
There you go.
Any weapons on you? Nope. Fantastic. Keep your money in your pocket. We don't want any of that stuff. All right, go ahead and have a seat, John.
God, I hate you fuckers.
Yeah, I get it.
Hate's a strong word. Dislike's better.
What you fucking say?
Go ahead and have a seat.
Have a seat, John.
I can't do it. Ow!
Sit down.
Oh, I can't.
And he's going to pull you backwards. You got to sit down. There you go.
I'm gonna tell you what, when I get out of this deal,
You're not going to do anything. Just sit down, please.
Yeah, bullshit.
Okay, come on.
I can't get up there.
Yeah, you can. Put your right leg up. Put your right leg up.
That's my bad leg.
Okay, well, you got to bend it. You're just sitting down.
I gotta stand up. You know what, you got
You got to stand up.
the fucking handcuffs on me like I'm a fucking nigger.
Well, you're under arrest.
Well, you know what?
You're under arrest.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay, so have a seat.
I can't get in there.
You want to pull him from behind?
Yeah, let me get this done.
You know what? If I could, I would.
Okay, well, that officer's going to help you, okay?
All right, John, right this way. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. You gotta work with us a little bit here, John. There we go.
Hold on, it's like spot.
Yeah, get that foot in there. Go.
Ow, asshole!
What?
You fucking heard me.
A threat of future violence is its own exception. Virginia versus Black places true threats outside protection. A statement about what a subject will do once released can cross from bluster into a chargeable threat, judged on context, not on the speaker's later disavowal. Two doctrines govern the arrest itself. Atwater versus Lago Vista permits full custodial arrest even for a fine-only offense, so a citation is that arrest resolved by release. And Miranda never triggers here. Absent interrogation, Rhode Island versus Innis leaves volunteered outbursts admissible without warning. The officer earns an A- for absorbing relentless abuse without once treating protected speech as a crime, warning before every escalation, and choosing the least restrictive disposition. The subject earns an F. The on-scene response earns a B+. The agency is never identified and cannot be graded. 3 lessons remain. An officer who arrests a citizen for a slur converts protected speech into his own constitutional violation. Charging language must track the elements, because a battery that missed is an assault. And a grievance about an officer is never a lawful basis to use force against him. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Law, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.